How to get a file with correct name when redirected. So after some time of searching on Google and SuperUser and scanning man pages, I was unable to find an answer to something that I think it should be simple. If you go here and try to download the theme, like so. You'll probably end up with a file called download_script.php !src_id equals 9750. But I want it to be called molekai.vim, which is what would happen if I used a browser to download this file. What options do I need to specify for Wget for the desired effect? I'd also be okay with a curl equivalent command.
The documents will not be written to the appropriate files, but all will be concatenated together and written to files. If is used as file, documents will be printed to standard output, disabling link conversion. Use / to print to a file literally named --. So. Or, you may be able to get Wg to automatically use the file name proposed by the server using the content disposition option if supported by your version. Caveats as per the man page. If this is set to on, experimental, not fully functional, support for content disposition headers is enabled. This can currently result in extra round trips to the server for a head request and is known to suffer from a few bugs, which is why it is not currently enabled by default. This option is useful for some file downloading CGI programs that use content disposition headers to describe what the name of a downloaded file should be. You can achieve the same automated behavior with curl, using O uses the remote name, and J forces the O to get that name from the content disposition header rather than the URL, and L follows redirects if needed.
With Wget you can do this. To save the file using the last file name the server gives you.
You could also use aria2c. It seems to work nicely with the content disposition headers.
Worked by following: curl-molekai.vim, this URL. Get_somefile.extension, this URL. Changed case to smaller, i.e., the get_o to get_o.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.